Hello everyone, welcome to Eagle's Eye Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So without further ado, let's get into it. At first, go to your Facebook profile by clicking the profile icon, and after reaching your profile you'll see a three-dot button. Click this button and then you'll see the option lock profile. Click this lock profile, and then when the display shows, click the lock your profile. So you get the message that you have locked your profile. You click OK. Now to check whether it's been locked or not, we can view as public and see whether it's locked or not. You can see that this profile is locked. So it's the same with the mobile. You have to click the three-dot button after reaching the profile and you'll see the option. So I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please leave a comment if you have any query. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.